rabbits and pets like rabbits and guinea pigs, and I'm going to show you more of my gymnastic skills. And this one right here, his name is called Kenzo, and he's really cuddly and his fur is really soft, and he's a daddy rabbit, and he really loves to jump and play, and his fur is really soft and cuddly. Hello, and this is another rabbit, and this is the mum, and her name is Tiffany. She's the mum of 6 bunnies, but we're not going to have time to show all of them because there are a lot and we won't have that much time. And she's grey and white, and she loves to jump, really jumpy and soft. She has soft fur. Cookie right here, and he is one of the 6 bunnies, and he has blue eyes like Tiffany and Kenzo's parents, and he is 2 months old, and he was named after BTS because one of their names are called Jungkook, and he's just really cuddly and stuff, and I love him.